Hello everyone, this is the flexible stand holder mount USB port data cable. This charging cable can be flexed, coiled and wrapped in different positions and act as a stand just like the picture shows. Now let's see. You can hold your phone steady for photography like this, and you can place your phone at eye level for FaceTime and video and so on. It's very flexible. Yeah, let's see. This is truly a brilliant design charging cable, and it's compatible with most Android phones such as Samsung Galaxy family, HTC, LG, and the Sony smartphones. So you can go to the website of the description of this video below to get more infos. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video.